Students, in this session we are discussing about some of the problems we are facing. Last class also we have discussed after independence in our country faced some of the problems. So in that we are discussing first problem, that is unemployment. One of the major problems, still now we are facing the problems. I already said what are the problems we are discussing. These are the problems created or started before independence also as well as after independence. But still we are facing these problems. That is one of the important problem, that is unemployment. So before that we want to know what is mean by unemployment. What was the definition of unemployment? Already they given book in also about the definition of unemployment. They given a person does not get find or does not find the work. Okay, a person he does not get the work. Here they given accordance of his capacity and qualification. If any one person if did not find any work based on in that particular person capacity and qualification, based on capacity and qualification means capacity means based on the particular person's strength, and in that particular person qualification means education. This only they given name as a unemployment. Now we are understood that means what is mean by unemployment means if any one person he got education MCom but he doing job in agriculture field, so they give a name as a unemployment, because if that particular capacity and qualification both also not studied for a agriculture field, he studied for any company but he doing job in agriculture field. So these like they given a definition. If any one person he did not find based or accordance of his qualification and capacity. So this only they given name as a unemployment. Okay, here they given now we want to discuss what was the reasons for unemployment. Here they mention some of the reasons. One is overpopulation. Already now first of all I was saying what we are discussing problems only in India, not in other countries. So we want to discuss why India facing unemployment problems. One of the important reason, that is overpopulation. We can compare other countries, some of the largest country, but that much of population we cannot see in other largest country. For example, Russia and India. Russia is first largest country, yes, no, is one of the biggest country, but we cannot see this much of population. India, 7th largest country, but population in rank 2nd. So this is one of the important problems. Competition in started in a job field, so people they are not getting job opportunity. This is one point, overpopulation. Second one, they given second one reason, that is improved technology. Nowadays in our society people they adapted improved society, improved technology. This is also one of the important reason we are facing unemployment. If any work if you want to done nowadays, all are using machines. So human force nowadays no need. So when we adapted improved technology, people they are not getting the job because of all the work is done by machines. So this is also one of the important reason. Not only these are the reasons, we can say other reasons also. Okay, next one reason they given shortage of natural resource. I already told India's population in world in second place. But natural resource, minerals, not there that much. So this is one of the important reason. We not have that much of source or resource in our earth or in our country. So you are facing unemployment. And next one they are given reason. Next one they are given over dependency of agriculture. This is also one of the important reason. Still we are facing unemployment. So much of people now also they are dependent only in the field of agriculture. For example, if any one family is head of the family, for example, always head of the family in our society is male category. If father, if you are doing work, all are they depend on agriculture for the basis of income. There are so much of people, they knowing they not have that much of income in agriculture field. No, that means also they are dependent in agriculture field. They dependent now also still is our father. For example, in any one family is the 5 members. Father is a farmer, others simply they are eating. Only one man is doing the work. That also in agriculture field. Others they dependent on that particular person. So this is also in one of the important reason for unemployment. Next one they are saying that one ruined cottage industry. Nowadays our government and we also we are encouraging only big scale industry, large scale industry. That only we are selling as a large scale industry. So nowadays small scale industry they did not compete with against of large scale industry because of they not have that much of income or that much of economically strength. So peoples they closing their small scale industries. This is also one of the important reason. Nowadays we are not giving that much of encourage about the cotton industry, sorry, small scale industry. So this is also one of the important reason. Okay, next one they are given over next one lack of skill based education. This is also one of the important reason why we are not getting unemployment. One of the important reason what we are getting education, that is not for a job, that is not giving encouragement about the skill. Only education is providing only knowledge. So this is one of the important reason. Some of the peoples or most of the peoples in India they are not getting the job because of education is providing only knowledge, not skill. Education is saying that we have these like of jobs, that much only they are saying. They are not providing the job. Or education they are not saying how to do the job. Only they are providing knowledge. If you studied this one, you are getting this one job. That much only. This is also one of the important reason. So now we understood what are the problems or why we are facing unemployment in our present society. One is overpopulation. Second one is we are using improved technology. And not only this one, we discussed this like only shortage of natural resource. And we discussed dependency of agriculture, ruined cottage industries. Means nowadays we are not encouraged small scale industry. And last one, what we are getting education, in that in lack of skill. These are the important points in our country or in our society. Peoples they are facing unemployment problem. So in that based In that based 2011 based on census in our India present there are 21.9 percentage people now also still they facing poverty. This only indicating in our peoples they not getting proper job. According to 2011 census, 21.9 percentage of peoples poverty, below poverty level peoples, means they not have that much of income. Why they not have that much of income? Because of they did not get the job. Why they did not get the job? Already I said the reasons. So these like India still we are facing unemployment problem. So in that based central government, state government, not only local government also they implemented some of the programs to eradicate unemployment. So now we are discussing this about only what are the programs government implemented to solve the unemployment problem. Okay, here they are given one by one. First one they are given one point, that is improve the skill level and want to provide job to who need the job we want to provide. This way Indian government they provided some of the programs or they implemented some of the programs. Government also nowadays they implemented different types of institutions to develop our skill. Because of already we discussed one of the important reason why we are not getting the job, because of education is only providing knowledge, not a skill. So nowadays government they took one of the important steps, that is when you are giving the education we want to improve the particular person for skill also. And not only this one, and in that base our government they are providing loans. If any one person, if you want to start any one business, our government they are providing loans. Not only this one, nowadays they are providing subsidy. If any agriculture based work, if any one person they want to start any business, fishery or cattle rearing, so this like any business, if any one person want to start, our government they are providing subsidies. So these like of steps took by our government to eradicate unemployment. But government they took this like of reformation as some of the remedious measures, but still once again we are facing the problems because of globalization. What Indian government providing financial support to peoples, that is only for small scale industry. They are providing loans or subsidies or other facilities only for small scale industry. But nowadays we implemented globalization, in that based we could not compete with any multinational companies because they now invested more. They have good technology, that is forward technology, modern technology. But we still now also we not adapted because of we all are established only small scale industry. Income also now we not implemented that much of money. So these are the problems still we are facing. So this is also one of the important problem. Government they given facility, but we could not compete with multinational companies. So these are the problems now also still we are facing. But is there another solution? That is we want to took some of the decision. Nowadays our government also they implemented this based only Make in India. So we want to use our things, our product. So if you give an increase to our cottage industry or our small scale industry, we can solve what we are facing unemployment problem. These problems we can solve. So this is one of the important solutions. if you want to compete with our globalization field with other multinational companies, our India peoples, they want to use Indian product. Means we want to encourage our cottage industry. So in this way we can solve our unemployment problem. So these are the important points about unemployment, reasons and solutions. Next class we can discuss about next part. Okay, thank you, bye.